Okay, hello. So this guitar is before fret leveling. There seems to be some high frets on the mid region here, so I'm just going to go through once and then have a listen. Okay. Okay then. So the client said that on the 7th fret, I don't know if you can hear it. Hear that? Starts to clear up. This one okay? So it happens that the mid region here is a bit taller, the frets. I already checked with the fret rocker, later I will check again. So most probably I'll do a fret level closer to the mid region here. I'll be back with the update. Bye! Okay, so I'm done with the fret leveling. I actually extended a bit more for the front and for the back. Previously it was stuck at the 7th fret. So this is the test. Down here all clear lah. We already know that down here all clear. So this part, third string is okay. Second string is okay. So all good. Guitar is ready. Okay, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. If you want to contact me, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Okay, bye.